So for whatever reason, videos that seem to get a lot of views are videos where you chug a seltzer water and burp. I don't know why. I don't know if there's like a lot of 18-year-old males that search for burping videos. But I'm going to do just that for you because I want to increase my viewership. Some people say, Andrew, you're 37, you're going to be 38 in a few short days. Don't you want to be an intellectual? Why are you succumbing to burping videos? Hey, I want to go viral, and if burping is my ticket to riches and fame, if that's what starts the chain reaction, well then so be it. That was a good burp. The 18-year-old males are probably all like, wow, this is awesome. Come on, chant, chug, 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 chug. Chug the seltzer water, Andrew. Chug, 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 chug. If I want to be a movie star, if I want to be a pop superstar, my ticket to riches and fame is without question burping videos. Make me a Hollywood superstar. I'm burping on camera. Some people say, Andrew, these videos are just making you a lol cow. They're making you a laughing stock. People aren't seeing this and saying, wow, this is riveting content. They're laughing at you, not with you. Hey, maybe this is my ticket to superstardom.